Right, I think we are getting somewhere. Perfect. So we can see your slides. You have 3 minutes. Please take it away.
Okay. So, hi, we are XELA Robotics, and XELA Robotics provides the human sense of touch to robots. The problem that many industrial countries are facing is a rapidly aging society, and associated with that is a high cost of human labor. And to be more efficient and cost effective, companies are trying to fully automate their factories and warehouses. And eventually, we want to have collaborative robots in our homes. But the reality is that robots are still clumsy and cannot perform many tasks. So you might ask, why are they not ready yet? We believe that there's a missing piece in the design of current robots. Most companies focus on visual data and smart AI, which are very important to locate an object. However, visual data is not enough to grasp, hold, and manipulate an object. Tactile data is required to solve this problem. This is the winner of the Amazon Picking Challenge, and as shown in the video, the robot cannot hold the object. Only the sense of touch can tell you if you're grasping the object with the right amount of force, if the object is slipping out of your hand, and so on. XELA Robotics provides this sense of touch with our U-Skin sensors. You can see the skin patches that we developed on the left side, which come in different shapes and sizes. If we compare our products to our competitors, we have established that they're too big for the integration in thin robot skin. They're not durable. They're difficult to integrate because they need many wires and additional electronics. And they don't provide distributed 3D sensing. And they're also too expensive. So in addition to developing the U-Skin sensor, we also specialize in integrating our sensors into various robot hands and grippers. For example, we integrated the sensors into the XELA Robotics gripper. With our sensors, the gripper can grasp fragile objects, such as a business card, in several ways without deforming the shape. And this is the Allegro Hand by Vonik Robotics. We integrated 368 3-axis sensors, and only 4 wires are required to collect all the measurements. Also note that the fingertips are curved, like a human fingertip. As of now, we are only selling the sensors as a product. However, we are currently developing a software solution to improve our users' experience. For example, here the sensors detect slip very fast, and the gripper can react to it. There are various applications that can benefit from a U-Skin integration, and each of them is a fast-growing, multi-billion-dollar business. In previous years, many of our customers have come from the tactile AI research area. However, we are currently moving away from this application and focus more on non-research-based clients, such as assembly line robotics. We started the company in August 2018 and received a grant of $1 million. We had $94,000 sales in the first year, $180,000 in the second, and $380,000 in the third year. We also received a seed investment of $100,000. This fiscal year, we are looking for Series A investment. We will go into mass production because we have customers who require larger quantities. We will release our software for the U-Skin sensor together with a software license model. So if you believe that the future is robotics, contact us.
Perfect. Thank you. We have 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Judges, I'm going to leave it to you.
Yes, so Alexander, so maybe let me start. Thank you for the presentations, really interesting. So you mentioned a lot of use cases. So which will be the first industry or like vertical you will go for? So
so currently, a lot of our customers are in the assembly line field. So assembling of small parts like small screws and so on. And so that will be our first go-to.
Okay, thanks.
And we have more than 50 customers in 4 continents, and so they cover several applications, but a lot of them assembly line robotics.
And what's the business model? How do you charge your clients?
So right now, we sell them for the sensor hardware. So like one of these sensor modules is about $1,000. And in the future, we give away the sensors for free, but we ask for the software license, which is about $100 per month. And yes, like that.
Mm-hmm. Thanks.
You were unmuting yourself, Ilban, so maybe you have a question as well.
Yeah, I was going to ask the same with the pricing strategy.
Okay, so anyone else? Franca, Katarzyna, anything?
Yeah, so maybe let's also cover the team, yes, because we just I guess you didn't mention this.
Yes, so we are spin out from Waseda University, which is one of the top Japanese universities in Tokyo, but we have a very international team, and also we will maybe move our headquarters to Austria very soon, and so we have 9 members. So a lot of us are engineers, of course, but we also have people in business administration, marketing, and sales.
Okay, so in that case, if we have no more questions, you have 1 minute and 20 seconds to maybe tell us a bit more, Alexander, maybe persuade us a bit more. Take the time.
So, I mean, I think it's robotics is really the future. And actually, the amazing fact is that robots don't have a sense of touch yet, which you have to believe me now, for now. I mean, really, a lot of companies focus on vision, and of course, vision is very important. But if you really want to interact with the world, the sense of touch is, of course, also very, very important. And surprisingly enough, there's very little on the market to provide this sense of touch to robots as well. And yeah.
Alexander, so sorry to interrupt you. So is it like only the touch sensors, or also the temperature, anything, and any other like senses covered?
So it measures touch. So it measures 3-axis forces. So it measures the normal force, but also the shear forces, and also temperature, and also vibration. So it covers more or less the spectrum of the human skin.
Yeah.